Hi everyone and welcome to the Free Range Diva. So for a while now I've been wanting to try the newest skincare line from Andalou Naturals. It is called their CannaCell line. So I picked this up. This is the Get Started kit with 5 skincare essentials in it. And I also picked up, because it didn't have a cleanser, I also picked up the cleanser to go along with it. And the last couple of months I've been, a good month, I have been giving all of these products a try, and I wanted to share with you my thoughts. So if you want to know more about the CannaCell line from Andalou Naturals, then just keep watching. So this is how the products come in the starter kit. It has 5 products in here. Here they are. And they include the Exfoliate Scrub, the Hydrating Toner, Happy Day Cream, Dreamy Night Cream, and a Detox Mask. So there was no cleanser included in this. So I also picked up the Cleansing Foam. So the first thing you should know about the CannaCell line is that it is based in hemp seed oil. And one of the, and hemp seed oil has the perfect balance of omega-3 to omega-6s. In fact, the ratio is 3 to 1. That's 3 to 6. And it is also hemp plant is fast growing and sustainable, and it's grown in the northern hemisphere. The pure hemp oil in this product does not contain THC or CBD. In addition, all of these products are vegan, they are gluten-free, and they are also cruelty-free, just like every other Andalou product. The cannabis antioxidants that are present in these products are cultivated from hemp stem cells, and they are extracted from the mature hemp plant. These stem cells counteract free radicals. They help address oxidative damage. They protect you from sun exposure, pollution, and premature aging. These products are said to be for all skin types and that they're very gentle and pleasant to use. So my experience, starting with the cleanser, I love this cleanser. It's a foaming, foaming cleanser. Why didn't I bring a towel? That is very gentle, and as you can see, it's not a like heavy duty foam. But it does get your skin nice and clean. There's something on YouTube called like the 1 minute cleanse or something. I probably got the name wrong. But basically, you take your cleanser and you massage it in for a full minute before you rinse it off. And when trying that with this cleanser, it was perfect. My skin comes out very, very clean, fresh. The fragrance here through all these products is a fresh orange fragrance. I mean, like you just opened up an orange in front of your nose. So it's very, very pleasant to use. This doesn't dry out my skin at all, and leaves it feeling really just clean and smooth. This does not move makeup in my experience, so this is good for a second cleanse, or the way that I use it is first thing in the morning. Got a towel. The next product is the Exfoliate Scrub. This is a gel scrub that has jojoba microbeads in it. The first ingredient here is aloe. So you can see it definitely is a gel, and these beads are really, really fine. So I have not had any kind of irritation problems or any sort of over exfoliating problems with using this gel. I probably do it whenever my skin feels a little rough. I did it this morning when I looked in the mirror before I took my shower. I saw little flakes right here and right here. So I hit my cheeks and the rest of my face with this gel, and it took everything off. It leaves the skin feeling really smooth, but not, again, not overly exfoliated or harsh. It's not harsh in any way. In fact, all of these products are really, really gentle. They are very accurate on the website when they call this a gentle line for all skin types. But we'll get more into that in a second. That right there is the lamp that I used to use in all my videos, and I had a viewer ask about what happened to it. So I told her I would let it make, she missed it. So I said I would let it make an appearance in this video. So there it is. Yeah, I had to move it out when I brought my bed in because the desk that it was sitting on was too big, and I got a smaller table, and it just takes up too much space on the table. But there it is. Next, the toner. This is their hydrating toner, and I have mentioned this in my last favorites, I think. I know I mentioned it before, but again, this toner is very, very gentle. It is hydrating. It smells like fresh oranges, so it's lovely to put, I mean, I love that smell. If you don't like fresh oranges, you might have an issue with this line, but it's not synthetic, you know, like a synthetic, obnoxious, annoying fragrance at all. It's just really, really fresh. And it does leave your skin feeling hydrated. Next, I go in with the Happy. Now, I've been using this line exclusively as my basic skincare line. So I'm basically giving you my morning routine right now. Yeah, followed by the Happy Day Cream. This is a lightweight, kind of a gel-like cream. Let's see here. There you go. White. And, you know, really lightweight. That's not thick at all. And it goes in almost immediately. And I find that sometimes I need a little something extra underneath, that this doesn't give me quite enough moisture for the day. So I might use a hyaluronic acid serum under it, or a light oil or something. But not every day. I mean, some days this is just fine. In fact, today, this was all I take that back. Today I did use a hyaluronic acid serum. But some days I just use this without anything additional other than my Argireline Skin Diva serum, which every day. Then we have a product that I was quite surprised. This is the Detox Mask. This is a clay mask, and I thought this might be a little bit much, but actually it really wasn't. And it did an excellent job of getting rid of the congestion and minimizing pores that I have here, and the congestion that I have there with blackheads. And also I tend to get a lot of flakes in this area as well. There we go. So it's your typical, you can tell that has got a little bit of, you know, like a sort of a greenish grayish color to it. It goes on clear, however, and although it dries on the skin, it dries down clear. It doesn't turn clay-like. So although there is clay in here, it clearly is not, you know, one of those heavy-duty, really drying kind of clay masks. This is not drying at all. And like I said, I thought it would be too much, but it was perfect. It worked really, really well. In fact, this is probably one of my favorite products from the line so far, this and the cleanser. And then the last product in the little set is the Dreamy Night Cream. Now, unfortunately, this product didn't make it past the patch test. This did cause burning when I tried it on my wrist. You know, in fact, I gave it two opportunities, and both times I wasn't able to use it. So what I can tell you is this is a little bit heavier than the day cream. Not a lot though. And might be like for someone like me who likes a lot of, you know, like hydration and emollients at night, this would probably have to be used in conjunction with an oil. Now, speaking of oils, the CannaCell line also has other products in it, including 2 hydrating serums, anti-aging serums that you can use under your day cream or your night cream. And they have a hemp oil facial oil as well that I did not try, but I did want you to know that those products are there and available for you if you want to try them. I think, oh, they also have They also have an eye cream and an SPF 30 cream. And another mask, a mask that they call their glow mask, which is more exfoliating. So yeah, it's the hemp line overall, the CannaCell line, sorry, overall is a complete skincare line. It can be used, again, for all skin types, although I think that if you are the driest of the dry, you might want to add something to it. If you have combination skin, this is perfect. It would be perfect for you. Normal skin, even oily skin types, I think can benefit because these products are not particularly oily or heavy. Also, I think this line would be great for general maintenance. If you have really good skin, or like you're a teen, like your teenager in your teens or 20s, and you just want something to preserve what you have and protect what you have, this line I think would be right up your alley. Andalou Naturals makes beautiful products that are all very clean. There's none of those nasties in them like parabens or phthalates or artificial anything or synthetic anything. They are also non-GMO certified to be free of GMOs. So, and they're very affordable, and they are found pretty much anywhere. At your major like health food type grocery store chains, mom and pop health food stores. They are found online at your health food websites like your healthier websites like Vitacost, Pharmaca, which is where I got mine. And they also have a website. They are also available in Canada. So Andalou, in case you haven't guessed by now, they're one of my favorite skincare lines, not only for the face but for the body as well. And I can highly recommend the CannaCell line. And they have a frequently asked questions section about this line in case you're wondering about it being exposed to like marijuana or hemp in that sense. It's not. This is a completely different variety of the hemp plant, so you don't have to worry about anything like that at all. Okay, everybody, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, because I would love it if you did that. And if you hit the notification bell, then you'll be sure not to miss my next video. And speaking of my next video, it's going to be an update of my journey to turn my black thumb into a green thumb, to go from being a plant killer into a plant nurturer. And I want to let you know what has... They're taking over. I want to let you know what has been happening, as well as tell you some more benefits of indoor plants. So keep watching next Tuesday for that video. And in the meantime, until I see you in that next video, I'm wishing you a wonderful day, a wonderful week. Take good care of yourselves, and I will talk to you again very, very soon. Bye, everybody. Oh, come on. Stop.